Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of active recovery and uncovering some of the most common myths that surround it. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just someone interested in fitness, understanding what active recovery truly means can help you optimize your performance and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Many people have misconceptions about what active recovery is, how it should be done, and its actual benefits. In this video, we'll break down these myths one by one, providing you with clear, science-backed information to help you make the best choices for your health and fitness journey. Let's get started by defining what active recovery really is. Active recovery refers to engaging in low-intensity exercise after intense physical activity. Instead of complete rest, you keep your body moving with gentle activities like walking, light cycling, or yoga. The goal is to promote blood flow, aid muscle repair, and reduce soreness without putting additional stress on your body. This concept is often misunderstood, leading to several myths that can actually hinder your progress if you believe them. Before we tackle those myths, it's important to have a clear understanding of what active recovery is and why it's recommended by fitness professionals. One of the most common myths is that active recovery is the same as simply resting. In reality, active recovery involves purposeful movement, not just sitting or lying down. While rest days are important, active recovery days are about gentle activity that keeps your body engaged. This helps maintain circulation, supports muscle repair, and can even improve your mood. So, next time you hear someone say active recovery is just another word for rest, you'll know that's not quite accurate. Another misconception is that active recovery offers no additional benefits compared to complete rest. However, research shows that light movement can help flush out metabolic waste, reduce muscle soreness, and speed up recovery. By keeping your body moving, you're actually helping it heal more efficiently. This doesn't mean you should skip rest altogether, but incorporating active recovery can be a valuable tool in your fitness routine. Some people believe that active recovery is only necessary for elite athletes. In truth, anyone who exercises regularly can benefit from active recovery. Whether you're new to working out or have years of experience, your muscles need time to repair and adapt. Active recovery helps everyone, regardless of fitness level, by reducing fatigue and preventing injury. It's a universal tool, not just reserved for professionals. Many assume that active recovery must involve cardio exercises like jogging or cycling. While these are great options, active recovery can also include stretching, yoga, swimming, or even a leisurely walk. The key is to choose activities that are low in intensity and enjoyable for you. This flexibility allows you to tailor your recovery days to your preferences and needs, making it easier to stick with your routine. Some skeptics claim that active recovery doesn't really make a difference. However, studies have shown that incorporating light movement on recovery days can actually enhance muscle repair and reduce the risk of overuse injuries. It's not about pushing yourself hard, but about supporting your body's natural healing processes. Over time, this can lead to better performance and fewer setbacks. A common mistake is thinking that warm-ups aren't necessary on active recovery days. In reality, even light exercise benefits from a gentle warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints. Skipping this step can increase your risk of strains or discomfort, even during low-intensity activities. Always start your active recovery with a few minutes of easy movement to get your body ready. Some believe that active recovery doesn't require any planning or structure. However, just like your regular workouts, having a plan for your recovery days can help you get the most benefit. Consider scheduling specific activities, durations, and intensities to ensure you're not overdoing it, or, conversely, doing too little. A little structure goes a long way in making your recovery effective and enjoyable. Active recovery isn't just for when you're feeling sore. It can be beneficial even if you're not experiencing muscle pain. Regularly incorporating active recovery helps maintain flexibility, supports circulation, and keeps your body in balance. Don't wait for soreness to strike before giving your body the gentle movement it needs. It's easy to think that if some active recovery is good, more must be better. However, overdoing it can actually delay your recovery or lead to new injuries. The key is moderation. Choose activities that are truly low intensity and listen to your body. Remember, the purpose is to aid recovery, not to add more stress. Some people dismiss active recovery as a waste of time, believing only intense workouts matter. In reality, recovery is a crucial part of any fitness program. Without proper recovery, your progress can stall, and you may be more prone to injuries. Active recovery is an investment in your long-term health and performance, not a waste of time. Not all activities are suitable for active recovery. The goal is to engage in low-impact, low-intensity movements. High-intensity or high-impact exercises can actually hinder recovery and increase fatigue. Choose activities like walking, gentle cycling, or stretching to ensure you're supporting your body's healing process. There's a misconception that only younger individuals benefit from active recovery. In fact, people of all ages can and should incorporate active recovery into their routines. As we age, our bodies may take longer to heal, making gentle movement even more important for maintaining mobility and reducing stiffness. Active recovery isn't just for those coming back from an injury. While it can be helpful in rehabilitation, it's also a proactive approach to maintaining overall health and preventing injuries in the first place. Regular active recovery keeps your muscles and joints healthy, reducing the risk of future problems. Some people think active recovery is always easy and requires no effort. While it shouldn't be strenuous, it does require you to be mindful and intentional. The goal is to move with purpose, focusing on form and breathing. This mindful approach can actually make your recovery sessions more effective and enjoyable. There's a belief that active recovery isn't supported by science. In fact, numerous studies have shown that low-intensity movement can help reduce muscle soreness, improve circulation, and speed up recovery. The science is clear. Active recovery is a valuable part of any fitness program. Active recovery isn't limited to people who work out in the gym. Whether you enjoy outdoor activities, play sports, or simply stay active at home, everyone can benefit from incorporating gentle movement into their routine. The principles of active recovery apply to all forms of physical activity. Some worry that active recovery will take up too much time. In reality, even short sessions of 10 to 20 minutes can be effective. The focus is on quality, not quantity. You can easily fit active recovery into your schedule without sacrificing other commitments. Stretching is an important part of recovery, but it's not a substitute for active recovery. While stretching helps maintain flexibility, active recovery involves movement that increases blood flow and aids in muscle repair. Both are important, but they serve different purposes in your overall fitness plan. Active recovery isn't just for your legs or lower body. You can and should include movements that target your upper body, core, and even your mind. Activities like gentle yoga, swimming, or light resistance exercises can help your entire body recover and feel refreshed. Some people avoid active recovery because they think it's boring. The truth is, you can make it enjoyable by choosing activities you love, like dancing, hiking, or playing with your pet. The key is to keep moving in a way that feels good to you, making recovery something you look forward to. Active recovery isn't just for the day after a tough workout. It can be used between sets, at the end of your day, or even on days when you're not exercising intensely. The flexibility of active recovery means you can use it whenever your body needs a gentle boost. Active recovery isn't just about physical benefits. Gentle movement can also help reduce stress, improve mood, and support mental well-being. Activities like walking in nature or practicing yoga can be restorative for both body and mind. Active recovery can be combined with other recovery methods like foam rolling, massage, or even meditation. In fact, using a variety of techniques can enhance your overall recovery and help you feel your best. Don't be afraid to mix and match what works for you. Active recovery isn't limited to specific sports or activities. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or just enjoy staying active, everyone can benefit from gentle movement on recovery days. The principles apply across all types of physical activity. Some believe that only intense workouts help with weight loss, but active recovery can play a role too. By keeping your body moving, you continue to burn calories and support your metabolism. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, active recovery can contribute to your weight management goals. Active recovery isn't just for cardio enthusiasts. If you lift weights or do resistance training, gentle movement on your off days can help your muscles recover and grow. Activities like light stretching, yoga, or walking can keep your body balanced and ready for your next strength session. Active recovery can actually improve your flexibility. Incorporating activities like yoga or dynamic stretching on recovery days helps maintain and even increase your range of motion. This can lead to better performance and fewer injuries over time. Even if you have a packed schedule, you can still benefit from active recovery. Short, simple activities like a brisk walk during lunch or a few minutes of stretching in the morning can make a big difference. It's about making the most of the time you have, not finding extra hours in your day. Active recovery isn't just for physical fatigue. Gentle movement can help clear your mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. Taking a break from screens and moving your body can be a powerful way to recharge, mentally as well as physically. Active recovery can be a social activity too. Joining a group yoga class, going for a walk with friends, or participating in a recreational sports league are all great ways to recover actively while enjoying the company of others. Social support can make recovery more enjoyable and motivating. Older adults can greatly benefit from active recovery. Gentle movement helps maintain joint health, balance, and mobility. reducing the risk of falls and injuries. It's never too late to start incorporating active recovery into your routine, no matter your age. Children and teens can also benefit from active recovery, especially if they participate in sports or regular physical activity. Gentle movement helps their bodies recover and grow, and teaches healthy habits that can last a lifetime. You don't have to be an athlete to benefit from active recovery. Anyone who is physically active, regardless of skill level, can use gentle movement to support their health and well-being. It's a tool for everyone, not just for those who compete. Active recovery isn't just about healing, it's also about prevention. Regular gentle movement helps keep your muscles and joints healthy, reducing the risk of overuse injuries and keeping you active for longer. Active recovery can be a powerful tool for managing stress. Gentle movement, especially in nature or with calming music, can help lower stress hormones and promote relaxation. It's a simple way to care for both your body and mind. Active recovery can actually help improve your sleep quality. Gentle movement during the day helps regulate your body's natural rhythms and can make it easier to fall asleep at night. If you struggle with sleep, try adding some light activity to your routine. Incorporating active recovery into your routine can help you build healthy habits that last. By making gentle movement a regular part of your life, you reinforce the importance of self-care and consistency, which are key to long-term success. Even if you have a demanding job, you can still fit active recovery into your day. Short walks, desk stretches, or a few minutes of yoga can help you stay energized and focused. It's about making small, intentional choices that add up over time. You don't need a gym to practice active recovery. Simple activities at home, like stretching, yoga, or even dancing in your living room, can be just as effective. The key is to keep moving, no matter where you are. Active recovery can be done outdoors as well. Walking in the park, gentle cycling, or even gardening are all great ways to recover while enjoying fresh air and nature. Outdoor movement can boost your mood and make recovery more enjoyable. Traveling doesn't have to disrupt your recovery routine. Simple stretches in your hotel room, walking through the airport, or light movement during breaks can help you stay on track. Active recovery is flexible and can be adapted to any environment. No matter the season, you can practice active recovery. In winter, try indoor activities like yoga or stretching. In summer, enjoy outdoor walks or swimming. The key is to adapt your activities to the weather and keep moving year-round. We've covered a wide range of myths about active recovery, and hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of what it really means. Active recovery is a powerful tool for everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or lifestyle. By incorporating gentle, intentional movement into your routine, you can support your body's healing, prevent injuries, and boost your overall well-being. Remember, recovery is just as important as your workouts. Embrace active recovery and enjoy the benefits it brings to your health and fitness journey.